Kapuso host and actor ug usa sa mga cast sa Kapuso series nga Love You Stranger ang atong makachika this morning. Let's all welcome Gil Cuerva. Mayong buntag, Gil, at welcome back dito sa GMA Regional TV Live. Ano ba yung breakfast mo ngayong umaga, Gil?
Breakfast ngayong umaga, I had waffles. Waffles yung naging breakfast ko. Waffles and whipped cream. Parang Belgian waffle, gano'n.
And speaking of breakfast, Gil, lagi kaming natatakam sa Taste Buddies adventure ninyo ni Solen Yusaf. Ano naman yung namimiss mo sa mga food adventures ninyo?
Ako, for me, yung bonding ko talaga, not just with Solen, pero pati na rin sa Taste Buddies team. Kasi parang adventure talaga yung mga tapings namin kung saan-saan kami pupunta, kung ano-ano yung mga activities namin. So, yan yung mga namimiss ko because you'll always, find a great time anywhere in the Philippines, but it's finding a great company that's hard.
And aside from that, congratulations din sa iyo, Gil, dahil isa ka sa bahagi ng success ng Love You Stranger gabi-gabi. Sa taping ba ninyo, may mga bonding moments kayo with your co-stars? Ano ba yung mga unforgettable moments and experiences mo with them?
Well, kasi parati kaming every rest day, pag rest day namin, parati kaming, what they call this, parang salo-salo in a sense, where we eat with everybody.
At sa finale week ng Love You Stranger, ano naman ang magiging ending ni na Tristan and LJ?
I can't really, mahirap i-spoil no? Mahirap i-spoil kung ano yung magiging ending. But yung masasabi ko lang is, within the next couple of episodes, may gagawin si Tristan that will really affect yung magiging relationship and friendship nila ni LJ.
Ano ba yung magiging role mo upang mas mapalapit si Tristan kay LJ? O may mga unexpected twist ba na mangyayari?
Yes, may unexpected twist. May malilink kay Tristan. And soon, malalaman ni LJ and ni Ben, character ni Khalil, kung ano yung ginawa ni Tristan. Kaya, magbabago yung relationship nila.
And with that, Gil, can you please invite all our kapusong bisdak to watch the finale week of Love You Strangers sa GMA Telebabad?
Pero mga kapuso, thank you of course for watching Love You Stranger and please watch our finale week. Remember, we air Monday to Thursday, 9:35 p.m. sa GMA Telebabad.
And Gil, what's your message to all our kapuso viewers this morning?
If you're really passionate about something, pursue it.
And thank you so much, Gil, for joining us this morning.
Yeah. Thank you.